Hi guys, welcome you all by Pantech e-learning. In this video we are going to see about the power electronics and drives control. We are going to control a motor. Here we are going to see the prototype about 3-phase induction motor control with load current waveform and input protection. In this we are going to control a 3-phase induction motor and the load current waveform can be analyzed. This circuit has input protection circuit. Now let's see the detailed working video of this prototype.
This is a project. This is a controller, microcontroller DSP30F4011 with the programmer section. This is a TLP driver board, and this is a protection circuit, and this is a bridge rectifier and a capacitor, and this forms the inverters with semiconductor devices, and this is a current sensor board. You can measure it over here, and I have connected the proximity sensor over here to sense the motor. I have connected the proximity sensor pins over here, and these 3 pins is used to control the speed, frequency and set RPM. Everything we can able to control it over here. Just I am switching on the power supply for this driver board, controller, protection circuit and for the current sensor. Here you can able to see the open loop or closed loop section. To select the open loop, you need to select this key. Open loop selected. To vary the modulation index frequency with V/F control method, you can able to press again the same button. The frequency will be increased. To decrease the frequency or MI, the second key is pressed. This one is the enter button when we are using. Now I am going to reset. You can able to select the closed loop by selecting the second switch. It will ask for KP value. If you need, you can able to change the KP and KI value for using these 2 keys. This one is to enter. After entering the KP value, press enter, and enter KI value. Press this third key, and you can able to set the RPM. Now by default it is 300. You can able to vary the set RPM by using this key. If you need to decrease the RPM, you can use this key. You can able to check it over here. Proximity sensor detects whenever it detected
Metal.
the blinking will be there. It is detected over in this region. Input AC is given to the current sensor and it is given over here. And the neutral point is directly connected over here. This point is switched by a relay. This relay is connected and the NO terminal of the relay is connected over here. You no need to connect, it is internally connected. This one you have to connect by inserting in this, and you have to connect it over in this point. Here I have connected from the auto transformer to vary gradually from 0 to 230 volt AC. Now I am switching on the auto transformer. Now I am setting the input voltage. Now I am going to select the open loop section. Motor starts to rotate at minimum RPM. You can able to see the speed Now I am increasing the MI. Simultaneously the motor speed varies. And you can see the RPM also displayed in the LCD. Now we can able to measure the current over this point. Ground, phase 1 current, phase 2 current, phase 3 current. Phases are connected over here. From the inverter it is connected to this point, and after that it is connected to the load as a motor. Now I am connecting for the phase 1 waveform. Now I connected in the phase 1 waveform.
When I am increasing the inverter frequency, the output current waveform frequency varies simultaneously.
We are connected for the phase Y, and the current waveform is this much. I have connected for phase B, and the waveform of that phase is the current waveform is like this. Now for the closed loop section. Now for the closed loop, first reduce the input voltage, that is reduce the auto transformer voltage. Reset by using this key. Now I am going to select closed loop by pressing the second key. I am pressing enter, entering the KP value, then KI value. Now the default RPM is set as 300. Now increase the input AC voltage by using the auto transformer. The motor starts to rotate. At the set RPM. That is, this part is a closed loop. So whenever we set the set RPM, based on that the actual speed will be maintained constant with the set RPM. Now I am going to increase the set RPM, set speed. The motor will automatically settle down at the set speed. So you can able to see the set speed and the actual speed. I am varying this set speed by using this key function. If you want to reduce the speed, set speed, you can able to use this second key. Now I have set it for 1000 RPM, it is running at 1000 RPM. Now I am going to reduce the input voltage. At the time also the motor will try to settle at the same set speed RPM. Now I am going to increase the input voltage, AC voltage. Likewise, the closed loop operation is done. We can able to set the speed up to 1004 400. Now I have set it for 1400 and it is running at 1400 RPM. If any fault occurs, that is if it is overloaded, this circuit will automatically trip it. So at the time when you press this key, it will come to a normal position. But before pressing this key, you have to reduce the input AC voltage. After that only you have to press this reset button, protection reset button. And here there is a fuse at the DC section. If there is any fault occurs, this fuse will blow up. You can able to change it over there.
With this working video of 3-phase induction motor control for open loop and closed loop operation is shown. Thank you all by Pantech e-learning. Visit the website pantechelearning.com to get more information about many projects or prototypes, and you can also able to mail through training@pantechmail.com, projects@pantechmail.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pantech e-learning and get latest updates of new technologies by Pantech e-learning. Thank you all. Bye.